All right, Ryan, your turn for your presentation.
My mommy goes to work. My mommy is Robin, and she's a therapist. She goes to work and make people sad.
She goes to work and what? People come to her and they are
sad, and mommy makes them happy.
Tell me about your picture.
My picture, this is a sad girl, and they come in the door, and this is mommy. She makes people happy. So this is Abigail. This is you standing by people.
Okay, very good. Let's talk about your daddy. Okay.
After this, I do it just how.
Okay. So, what's your daddy's name?
My daddy is Commissioner Lee May. My daddy is Lee May Commissioner. And he makes the light. Daddy.
He's not gonna be there for you to ask. He's not gonna be there for you to ask. So your daddy is a commissioner in what?
And he makes the lights work. And he makes.
I can't see your pretty face.
He makes the cars don't be bumpy. He makes his county clean and safe.
Okay, so tell me about your picture.
My picture is a lot of people. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Okay, and where's your daddy?
Right here. He's talking on the microphone. He's standing on a stage walk.
Okay. All right. So you want to try it one more time?
Yes.
Okay.
You'll see it.
Okay, you'll see it in a minute. Go back and try it again. Now, stand up and say, turn the picture around. Let's start over. Hi, my name is Ryan.
Hi, Ryan.
No, say your name.
Hi, my name is Ryan. And my mommy goes to work. And she is Robin May. And she makes people, they come in the door, and people come inside, and mommy makes them happy. This is mommy. This is my friend.
That's so nice. Okay.
A picture. This is a sad girl. She's so sad. And my mom is trying to make her happy, and now she is happy.
Okay, now I can't make nobody happy though. They got to be happy on it. Okay, go ahead. Next picture. Very nice. Very ladylike cough. Very good. Okay.
Hi, I am Ryan.
Okay, go.
Hi, my name is Ryan Kimberly May, and my mom.
I can't see your pretty face.
Robin.
No, now you're doing your daddy's picture.
Okay. Hey, my name is Ryan. My daddy makes the lights work.
What's his name?
Lee and May.
And what does he do? He's a
commissioner.
Okay, what does a commissioner do?
A commissioner? Mommy, did you know there's some commissioner that daddy says, hi, commissioner, hi, commissioner?
Yeah. Are you done?
No.
Okay. All right, so you have some work to do, but I think you're going to do okay. Are you excited? Let's look at your picture very closely so I can show Nana.
No, I'm not finished.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm over it, Ryan.
I'm finished.
Tell me what you do, Reagan. What's your name? And tell me what you do. What do you do for a living, Reagan? Say I. Stop, Ryan. Say I eat for a living. The end.